So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about a Trident share. So we'll discuss the complete technicals as well as we'll see the basic fundamentals. I've already made one video on Trident where I've discussed the complete fundamentals of the company. That is what actually Trident does. What are the various businesses of the company. So if you want to watch that video, you can watch it as well. It is present in my playlist. So today we'll see the technicals which are very important, and also we'll see the basic fundamentals, that is the shareholding as well as mutual fund holdings. So in previous videos we discussed about Marksans Pharma. So today it has given excellent breakout. Almost it has closed above 41 rupees only. And people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. Okay, if we see the current market cap of this particular company, you can see that market cap is almost 3,414 crores. If you see the dividend yield, so that's what the main reason. Dividend of the company is very good. You can see almost 5.37% dividend is given by the company. And if you see industry PE is almost 8.38, and if you see current PE is almost 14.89. So that's why correction was seen. Almost the share when we discussed also was in this particular range, but I told that little correction may happen, and it has happened because of the quarter results as well, but later it has shown a good support as well. So people who are holding can definitely hold. We'll discuss the complete levels. And if you see deliveries are almost 48.24. Okay, if you see the shareholding summary, you can see that promoters are having a very good amount of 71.7% stake, and general public are having almost 26.3%, and other institutions are also having a very decent amount. So we'll discuss also about the mutual funds which are having stake in this. So one interesting thing I found that the promoter has increased his particular stake almost from a very 60% to almost he has increased that to 70%. So we'll see in historical promoter holding. Okay, if you see the historical promoter holding, you can see June 2018 he was having almost 67.78%, but later he kept increasing his particular stage, and in June 2020 we are almost having 71.1% stake. So that is a very good thing that the promoter is showing interest in the particular company. Generally whenever we see any penny stock, the promoter only does pledging and it reduces the stake. So in this particular company it's not like that. So something different and something interesting also with the dividend also. Okay, so very good stock, you can add it. I also discussed in previous videos that it's a very good stock, and also discuss the levels. So we'll see what are the next supports and resistances as well. Okay, if you see the historical FIS holding, you can see FIs are also showing a very interest in this particular company. Almost from 1.3% it has almost gone to 2.3%, but later a slight decrease has been seen. So whenever we invest in any company, we majorly focus on mutual fund holding as well as promoter holding. So whenever promoter holding is very good, also we think that this particular stock is very good, but we also need to see how the FIs as well as mutual fund holdings are there. Okay, so in this particular company everything is okay. We'll see mutual fund houses as well. Okay, if we see the basic highlights, what happened in this particular company, you can see promoter holding has marginally changed to 71.07% as of June 2020 quarter, and FIS holding has also changed marginally to 1.68%, and mutual fund holding has been changed. So certain mutual funds houses have also added this particular stock. So we'll see which houses have added it. Okay, now when we see the individual holdings who have stake in this particular company, you can see Trident Group is almost having 32.76%, and we can see Trident Industrial Corp is having 6.28, Madhuraj Foundation is having 27.37, and Trident Capital is also having a 3.57, and Trident Corporate Services Limited is having 0.21%. So completely diversified by the company itself. We know that it's also into power segment as well, so that I discussed in my previous videos. So very good diversified and present at a very good value as well. But if we see the mutual fund holdings, you can see Motilal Oswal Nifty Small Cap 250 has increased if we compare with the previous quarter, if you see May 2020, it was almost 4.57, but now you can see almost it is 5.36%. And Motilal Oswal Nifty 500 fund has also increased from 10.85 to 11.36. So why it is correcting and why it has remained in a particular range? Only because of two main reasons. One, because it was present at very high PE, not high PE, little high PE, and another reason was the quarter results. So that's why it has completely remained in that particular range. So anything may happen, just we need to focus on the levels. Okay, if we see the mutual fund holding, buying and selling, you can see if you compare with the previous quarters, you can see that the holding of this particular stock has been constant, and you can see selling has been completely reduced. So before, selling was there, but later the selling has completely reduced and become zero. Only the mutual fund houses are holding this particular stock, and they're buying at each and every dips. So even we should follow the same strategy of buying any particular stock only on dips. Okay, if we see the latest results, that is the quarter one results were also declared by the company. If you compare with the quarter four, quarter one were way better, but the everything, the revenue and we can say profit before tax and net profit have reduced slightly, but in future they will definitely turn into positive. So once everything will start setting down, everything will be okay for the company. So main was the COVID pandemic, which has affected majorly textile businesses. You can see Raymond also currently is very low. We'll discuss about that as well. So majorly textiles have been affected. So but this particular stock has sustained very well as compared to other textile companies. Okay, if we see the returns of this particular company, you can see that almost in 3 months it has given 38.14%. In 1 year, 26.42. You can see in 10 years it has given almost 300% returns. So very good returns, almost from zero point 0.6 it has gone to 11 rupees in 10 years time frame. So being penny stock also, this much amount of returns were given. Okay, now main thing is the volume analysis. So when you see the volume analysis, you can see that when you compare with the 31st July, you can see still the amount of trading is present in this particular stock. So whenever trading is heavily present, so correction also will be possible in that company. But you can see deliveries are also increasing. If you compare with the weekly average, which is almost 45.1%, and if you complete monthly averages, now currently it is less because it little trading is happening. So heavily trading will be done. So that is the main reason why the stock corrects heavily, that is it goes almost up, again it comes down. So these are only the main reasons. Okay, if we see the overall technicals, what it is suggesting, so money flow index is also in the mid range, almost 61. So whenever it is 70 and above, it is overbought, and whenever 60 below, not 60 below, whenever it goes below 30, is 30 is called as oversold. So when RSI is almost 53.8, it is also, when goes below, it's oversold. When 70 above, overbought. What is overbought? When excess buying happens, it is called overbought, and whenever excess selling happens, it is oversold. So whenever any stock reaches oversold region, then reversal may happen. So keep that point in mind. So everything is okay. Now let's see the levels of this stock. So now we are So now we can see in 1 day chart that almost when I made a particular video, it was in this particular range. It was taking support near 50 EMA, that is 6.42, as well as the pivot point, that is 6.48. And I told that this was the reason. So when it has given a gap up opening in the previous sessions, now it is trying to fill the gap. So this particular concept also you need to remember that whenever any gap up opens for any particular stock, it tries to fill that particular gap. Not 100%ly, but maximum chances will be there that it will try to fill that gap. So it has touched that level which I almost discussed. Okay, I have told that almost when it was 6.48, I told that it may fill that particular gap. So stay focused, and exactly it has filled that gap, and later it has given a good movement. And you can see the two levels. You can see almost one support is 5.95 and immediate resistance is 7.35. So in these two regions the stock is trading. Okay, so if you want to invest, so focus on 6.42 as well as 5.95. So what we can see in the money flow index, so money flow index, as discussed, it's in mid region, so it may go up or either it may go down. So once the stock starts correct, if it corrects, then definitely you need to wait and enter. Okay, what we can see in 1 week chart, so 1 week chart is also very important. Same, the pole as well as flag pattern is being seen. So current support it's taking is near 5.95. So immediate resistance for this is around 7.35. So 7.35 above, then definitely the stock will show further movement. For right being, you can focus on 6.4 as well as 6 rupees and 5.95. So three supports and one resistance is 7.35. Okay, so focus on these levels. So if you are interested, only enter in small quantities. Okay, so I've discussed everything, that is the fundamentals as well as the technicals. So hope you liked the video, and definitely subscribe the channel. In next video we'll discuss about another interesting share. So until then, take care, bye bye.